Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Do you know, of all the designs, I really just love working with greens. The botanical world offers us an array, a multitude, gazillions of beautiful greens, leaves to work with. The secret and the tip, I think, is always in the container. Yes, I could use the container looking like this with no embellishments, but I actually quite like it with the greens on, or some kind of something to represent what I'm going to be doing. So it's all about the botanical world. It's all about greens. Let me just share how easy it is to put just leaves together to create something that's going to give you peace, balance and harmony, because that's what the greens of the botanical world are for. To begin. Now, this is a beautiful fan palm that I have just twisted over and then stapled into a couple of places down there so that I've got sort of like a little flowery thing going on here. Now that I'm just going to put into there. Now I also want to share. Oh, look, I didn't do that very well, did I? That's supposed to be down and into there like that, but it's just popped off. So what I'll do is I'm just going to poke that down and into there for want of something else to do with that leaf. Now, this type of designing I call layering or pillowing. Yeah, that's the word I want to use, or just group massing things together. So I've got those over there. Now, to go with that, let's just put in some of these beautiful monsteria leaves. Now, they are poking up a wee bit, but I'm not going to worry about that at this stage because, oh yeah, look at that lovely layering there. That I can push down in due course once I get them into the container or into my container. Now the next thing I want to put into there are some of these. Look at these beautiful leaves. Aren't these just gorgeous? Let's put that into there, and if I put them all together, it's going to give the illusion as if they're all growing from one place, and it's like a little gorgeous garden into your container. Now I'm working back to front, but I don't want you to worry about that because I'm going to move things. So see what's happening now? You've got these lovely little gorgeous little bowy things over here, and then those gorgeous leaves just going over to one side. Now I've got another group of the same family, and these are part of the cordyline family. I'm just going to bring those into there like so, as if they're growing, and bringing that over those leaves there, and then I'm just going to bring this one to the back so that I've got a little bit of something happening at the back, and already I'm starting to have this beautiful picture. Now you could split them up, but I think that just putting them into their groups is the easiest way in which to design with them. Now I've got some monsteria leaves. These are fantastic. I'm just going to bring one into there like so, and then I'm just going to bring that over and into there like so, just to give another little bit, just a little bit of a luster down there, and that I will just encourage to go down in due course. Now I've got a few more of those, so I'm just going to bring those up and into there like so, as if they were growing in the garden. I love designs like this. They are just so good. Okay, we'll just bring those up just a little bit further like so. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, when I look into it, I have to decide, do I like that in there or do I not? No, I think I'm going to like that over and into there like so, just to have that just coming out over one side just a little bit further. Now, mother-in-law's tongue. I've got all these greens into there, and I need to put a little bit of life into it. Now, another little thing I want to share with you is when you cut them, if you put this into water, that will root and that will be another plant in no time at all. Now, I have to turn it around and have a look at where I'm going here, and I'm just going to bring that into there like that, and then that can go up and over and into there Look at that for quick and easy designing. Now, if you wanted to take it a little bit higher, I'm just going to bring that into there like so, and see if I can just get a little bit more depth and height into the design. Let me have a look. Oh, yes, I love it. Just greens in a container to bring a little bit of peace and tranquility into your environment. And I just feel like I need a few more of these around here. And the other thing is, I don't mind when they're going the different way. It just is what happens in nature. That's a beautiful design with not much in it. And if you wanted to put flowers into it, just knock yourself out and do it. I think it's great. Hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you again another day. Bye for now.